Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to take off a Jeep Grand Cherokee bumper. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a drill or razor blade, and a 10mm socket wrench. Next, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. For added safety, it's a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process. Now, let's get to the fasteners. Begin by crawling under the vehicle and locating the lower bumper clips. There are typically 6 to 8 clips that you can twist off by hand or with a flathead screwdriver. Next, move to the wheel wells. You'll find 2 plastic rivets on each side. Carefully drill or cut these out. Also, remove the 10mm bolt in the upper fender liner on both the driver and passenger sides. With the lower and wheel well fasteners handled, pop the hood. You'll see several push pins along the top of the grille, usually 2 to 6 of them. Use your flathead screwdriver to release and remove these. Then, gently pull back the fender liner in each wheel well to expose the fog light connectors. Carefully twist and unplug the wiring harnesses for both fog lights to ensure they are fully disconnected. Finally, with all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the bumper is ready to come off. Gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the sides and working your way around. It's highly recommended to have an assistant help support the bumper as you pull it free to prevent any damage. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the bumper for any existing damage before storing it or preparing for reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.